Hello everyone, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, today's video we will be discussing about TCS has finally come up with the NQT and they have announced the details and everything. So let's discuss in detail. So the hiring is for fresh engineering candidates. So let's discuss. So basically you know that every year TCS comes up with the hiring of candidates into engineering profile, which is they have a test which is national qualifier test NQT, and basis the score of this test they will be either you will qualify for a different this thing. One is the if you can qualify for prime, digital, or ninja interviews, you will be able to sit through, right? So very important about this test. So this is a combined test, you can say. So the registrations is open. You can register here. We will discuss about the registrations here. The registration end date is 10th of April, so please try to apply before that, and test dates will be for on 26th April onwards, right? So let's discuss the details and eligibility criteria. So the eligibility says that these many degrees or people who can apply, which is BTech, BE, MTech, ME, and then Masters of MCA, Computer Application, then MSc and MS can apply with the specialization offered for with the university recognized in colleges, right? Application process, you can see here. You can log in to the TCS Next Step portal. There is a portal. I'll show you also the complete steps. Then you have to register and apply for the drive. Scenario A, if you are registered user under the TCS Next portal IT category, kindly log in through your ID and reference number and proceed accordingly, right? So if you are a new old candidate, then you will have to log into their ID portal, and if you are a new user, then you will choose the categories IT and proceed accordingly and submit your application for the apply drive, right? It is important that you submit your application and click on apply drive. Also select your mode of test in center and choose your preferred center accordingly, and yes, you can track your application as well, and the status should reflect as apply to drive. These are important information which is very important. Go through it once. And yes, they have a help desk as well. If you have any doubts or queries, you can go and visit their help desk, and you can call on this number, or you can email to this for the assistance, right? Now we will discuss this also, but these are the important information. Also, they do not send offers or communication through different mode of communication, and yes, they don't ask you to deposit money. Very important. And if someone is actually asking you to deposit money, then in that case it is a fraud thing. So be aware of those communications as well. Now if I see here, once I click on register here, right, register here, you will be landing to this page, and you will have to click this, and yes, you will have to click this IT, right? Here you will have to click information technology and proceed. That you have to verify your email and everything. So I'll drop my email ID. Now you'll have to fill in the details. Now you will get an ID here. Okay, click continue and enter the OTP sent to your registered mail. So here you will see that your portal is it's applied. So now you will see track my application. You see here as registered, but right, you have to, now here is the application form. Start filling the form. Complete this and save and continue. Now you have to fill in the academic work details. So after completing all the steps, I will submit my application form. Now you can download the PDF here, and then you can go back. Then you can track the application. Now you can check your application here, that the candidate registration is done, application is received, right? So you can track your application. So I hope you have understood how to fill in the applications. Now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria. So you can see that here is the eligibility that we have already discussed, but the pattern you can see here, how many questions are there, what is the sections. You can see first is foundation section, second is advanced, and these are the topics basically. For foundation, numeric ability, verbal, reasoning will be there, and in the section B you will have advanced quantitative and coding will be there, and these are the durations. So I hope you have understood, you can go through the FAQs in details if you have any doubts or query. And also it is mandatory to click on apply for drive and not be considered for TCS fresh NQT. So it is important. Once you are once you fill the application, log out and again log in and then apply for the drive. Okay. So I hope you have understood everything in details. Do share with your friends and apply as soon as possible. All the best. Have a great day.